Man, come on, man. Yeah. Look, there you go. Lights on. Bringing the dead body. But they got the heater on up in here. Alright, welcome to the house tour. As you can see, time you walk in the door, got the kitchen. Stainless steel. It's nice, it's alright. Nice little cabinet. Damn, I gotta find that key fob too. Oh, there, right there. Yeah, that's how we get in the gate. Nice little living room. Let me go this way. What's in here? Got a little 2-bedroom, little closet. Everything in there that's supposed to be in the closet. Moving on up. Cut the light on. Well, we probably know where that's at now. That's a heater. Man. What's in here? Washer and dryer. Nobody care about that.
Nope.
Bedroom 1. No, this is a bathroom right here.
Hey! Huh? Come in here.
Nice size little bathroom.
Nope.
Yo, check that mark now. What a nice little shower. They got that subway towel.
That's it.
With a tub. Just in case one of y'all dirty niggas wash your ass. But look at this door though. Look at this split.
Jackie G.
That's crazy.
Jackie G.
Straight to the bedroom.
Jackie G.
That's a nice size little bedroom. At least they come with a TV. Damn, what's this? Can you go through? Oh, it's a nice little walk-in closet. I ain't putting them in this little sitting area over there.
Papa Son.
Papa son.
Yeah, Papa Son.
Back in the kitchen. And we're in the living room. It's just a little regular living room. With a bigger TV. They got mirrors all up in here. Make sure you can see yourself. Y'all check the fit. Black and yellow.
Yeah.
With white t-shirt hanging out the back. Second bedroom. I guess this gonna be mine. Nice little king. It's a bigger bathroom right here. They got a shower up in this thing. Somebody done left the cabinet open. Yep. Nice big shower. You want that? Huh? Oh, extra pillow. Shit, you gonna need that. Go check out that balcony. Oh no, we ain't went to the rooftop yet. I hope y'all didn't think that was it. I'm finna show you the whole building. Man, we're in a whole nother part of the parking deck. Looking for an elevator to get to the rooftop. Now, where the hell is the elevator?
He needs some milk.
We done made it to the rooftop. It's straight. Oh.
Welcome to Atlanta,
Oh.
to Atlanta, to Atlanta.
Check the rooftop out.
Oh shit.
Made it to the rooftop. How you feel, BJ?
I feel blessed to see another year.
Sit down. Sit down. Okay.
Come on, Zari. Yeah. Look at me. Bye, Zari. She just took off the other way. She did what? She took off the other way. Who got her? She got herself. BJ, she walking back? She go back to the little green carpet thing. She didn't even want to get back on her. How you get all the way over there? She ran all of them. Girl, that little girl is
Where'd she go?
Here you go.
That don't make no sense. Runaway child.
Yeah, we caught you. Ooh, that little nose running. Oh, red. Look at your nose red. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is really cool.